बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग? बेटा ठीक हैं, खैरियत से हैं? बेटा कोर्स नेम इज़ मैथमेटिक्स फॉर बिजनेस and today our topic is special functions and polynomial functions. First of all, I would like to explain special functions. Number one, a rational function. A rational function is any function which can be defined by a rational fraction, which is an algebraic fraction such that both the numerator and the denominator are polynomials. Example of rational function: the average cost function is a special kind of function called rational function. We can use this function to find the minimum average cost. The function revenue is into x is equal to into x square plus 4x minus 1 bracket close divided by 3x square minus 9x plus 2 is a rational function since the numerator is x square plus 4x minus 1 is a polynomial and the denominator is 3x square minus 9x plus 2 is also a polynomial. Identity function: it is a function that always returns the same value that was used as its argument. For example, y is a function of x is equal to x. Constant function: a constant function is a function whose output or value is the same for every input value. For example, the function y into x is equal to 4 is a constant function. Y is equal to function of x is equal to 7 is an example of a constant function. Now power function. A power function is a function with a single term that is the product of a real number, a coefficient and a variable raised to a fixed real number. In other words, the function in the form of y is equal to ax की power b, where b is greater than 0, are called power function. Root function. The square root function is defined to take any positive number y as input and return the positive number x, which would have to be squared. For example, y is equal to under root x is an example of a root function. A polynomial function is a function that involves only non-negative integer powers are only positive integer exponents of a variable in an equation like the quadratic equation, cubic equation, etc. For example, 2x plus 5 is a polynomial that has exponent equal to 1. A polynomial function of degree n has the following form: y is equal to an x की power n plus an minus 1 x की power n plus up to so on plus a1x plus a naught, where a is not equal to 0 and n is an integer, n is greater than equal to 0. बेटा ये conditions हैं कि a is not equal to 0 and n is greater than or equal to 0. A linear function is a polynomial function of degree 1. A quadratic function is a polynomial function of degree 2. A cubic function is a polynomial function of degree 3. You have to practice the exercise questions from number 1 to 12, which have been given on page number 179 of your textbook. Okay, thank you beta. Allah Hafiz.